Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Many dishwasher repairs will require you to disassemble the appliance. Before you attempt this, turn off the power supply to your dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. To access the water inlet valve or terminal block, simply remove the screws to release the lower access panel and pull it off. If you need to access components located in the door or control panel, open the door and remove the screws in the inner door panel which secure the outer door panel. Close the door securely and pull the outer door panel down to remove. You can now uninstall the screws securing the control panel and pull the control panel off. When the repair is complete, reposition the control panel and replace the screws in the inner door panel to secure. Reinstall the outer door panel by sliding it up into position and replace the screws to secure. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. To access components located underneath the tub, you will first need to uninstall the dishwasher. Once the dishwasher has been removed from the cabinet, unsnap the covers for the hinge rope and set them aside. Next, disconnect the hinge rope hooks from both sides of the door. As before, remove the outer door panel by uninstalling the screws in the inner panel which secure it. Again, be sure to close the door securely, then pull the outer door panel down to remove. Next, uninstall the screws to release the inner access plate. Unhook the plate from the frame and harness support and set it aside. Move the sound dampening pad out of the way and uninstall the screws in both the front and rear which secure the dishwasher frame to the base. Pull out the lower dish rack. Remove the lower wash arm and rotate the filter basket counterclockwise to detach it from the sump. Pull off the fine filter. Now remove the mounting screws which secure the lower arm support to the sump. Uninstall the screws securing the sump supports and remove the supports and screws. Be prepared for some water to leak out. Pull off the insulation blanket and side cover. Now carefully tilt the dishwasher back so its rear panel rests on a blanket or carpet. Detach the fill hose from its retaining clip and disconnect the hose from the sump. Now slide the base away from the tub. You can remove the drain pump by depressing the tab and rotating clockwise. If required, you can now release the circulation pump and sump assembly by first detaching the circulation pump from the base. Now disconnect the sump outlet hose from the sump and lift the assembly away from the base. Reinstall the circulation pump and sump assembly by first reconnecting the sump outlet hose. Position the assembly on the base and secure it with the mounting straps. Reattach the drain pump by aligning it on the sump housing and rotating counterclockwise to lock the pump into place. Slide the base in so it aligns with the tub. Reconnect the fill hose and secure the hose under the retaining clip. Now carefully lift the dishwasher to its upright position. Realign the side cover. And replace the insulation blanket. Reposition the sump supports and secure them with the screws. Reinstall the lower wash arm support screws. Replace the fine filter. Replace the filter basket in the sump by rotating it clockwise to lock it into place. Reinstall the lower wash arm and replace the dish rack. Secure the base to the frame by reinstalling the screws in the front and the rear. Reposition the sound dampening pad. Replace the inner access plate by hooking it onto the frame and harness support, then secure it with the screws. As we mentioned earlier, you can reinstall the outer door panel by sliding it up into position and replace the screws in the inner panel to secure. Reconnect the hinge rope hooks on both sides of the door. Replace the covers. You're now ready to reinstall the dishwasher in the cabinet. Once the appliance is fully reinstalled, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and confirm that the dishwasher is functioning properly.